welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we will be drawing a Snorlax Squishmallow. We're going to start off with the face. We're going to do two little eyes right in the middle. We're going to go up and do a line right here. Just across. Simple line. And we're going to repeat that same line on the other side. See if you can match it. Like so. And this is going to be the eyes. Let's make them a little bit wider. Once you're done with the eyes, let's do in the mouth. We're just going to do a slight smile. Just a little curve. And we'll go down, across, and back up for the mouth. And then we need two little teeth. We're gonna go 1, 2. That's looking really good. And then Snorlax needs a little tongue, so we're gonna add that, like so. With the face done, let's draw in the little detail on top of his head. We're gonna go up the middle, right around here. And we're gonna go left right here and right here, and we're going to draw in a V. Just go down and then back up to make a V. And we're going to do the two sides of Snorlax's face on left and right. So we're going to go down to these 2 points, just adding those as markers. We're going to do curve down one side and curve down the other side, and this is going to be Snorlax's cheeks on the two sides. And now we could draw in the top of the head. Following this curve, we're going to go outside, go all the way back to the middle, like so, and then same thing on the other side, following the cheek, and back down. And that's going to be the top of the head, and let's draw in the two ears, starting around the eye right here. We're going to go up, and back down into the head. Same thing on the other side. Let's go match it, go up, and back down into the head. And this is going to be the two ears on either side. And before we draw in the rest of the body, let's just draw in two little lines right here, and we're going to draw in his little arms. It's going to be a big circle right here, one circle, and then two circle right here. These are going to be the arms, and then we need 5 fingers each. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and a thumb, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a thumb, 5. That's looking good. And let's complete the body. We can go down curve for the body of the Snorlax, and then we're gonna meet to the bottom, like so. And now we can complete the belly. Following this line down here, we're gonna curve and down. That's looking really good, and this is gonna be your Snorlax Squishmallow. Now let's add some color real quick. We're gonna start off with some pink for the inside of the mouth, on his tongue, like so. And let's add a darker one right in the back to add some contrast. Looking nice. And Snorlax is mostly this nice blue color, so let's add in a nice blue throughout his body. Let's color in the ears first. One ear done. Second ear. Let's do both arms. And finally his body. Now some little bit of B for the inside. And there you have it, your very own Snorlax Squishmallow drawing. Thank you so much for watching. And if you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.